Good morning, little ones. Today we will be solving a worksheet based on lesson number 1 to 5. Please open page number 41 from your computer textbook. Let us start with the A, fill in the blanks. Children, you all can see they have given some blanks here. In that blanks, you all have to fill the correct answer based on this hints. Now, let us read the first one. A dash looks like a television. Yes, children. Which device looks like a television in computer? Correct. A monitor looks like television. In the hints also they have given monitor. So here you all can see I have given a number here, the first answer. So the same answer I will be writing here. Okay, children? M O N I T O R, monitor. The right answer is monitor. Now, second one, we can listen to dash on a computer. Yes, children. What we can listen in computer? Human power, printout, 26, monitor or music. Music is the correct answer. So the second one correct answer is music. So they have given here 2. Along with that, I will write the right answer here. M U S I C, music. Let us read the third one. A printer is used to take dash on a paper. With the help of printer, what do we take on a paper? As children, the written thing which will come on the paper is called printout. So here I will write the right answer. P-R-I-N-T-O-U-T is the right answer. Here I will also give the number to it. The fourth one, there are dash alphabet keys on keyboard. Yes, children, how many alphabets are there in English? There are 26 alphabets. So answer is 26. Here I will give the number to it. Like that way you all can solve the fifth one. Now let us go to the B. Write true or false. They have given some statement, children. You all have to read it properly and you all have to understand it. If it is true, if the given statement is true, then you all have to write T in the given box. If it is false, then we have to write F. First one, a computer is a man-made machine. Is it, children? Who made computer? Correct. The man-made computer. A computer is a man-made machine. So here I will write T. Now second one, a computer cannot be used to send messages. Is it, children? Can you all send messages using computer? Yes, with the help of internet, we can send a message to a from the computer. So this is false because they have told we cannot send the message. Now third one, you can watch movies on the CPU. Is it, children? Where do you watch? You watch on monitor. So they have given we can watch movies on CPU. It's wrong. So I will write here. Yeah. Now let us read the fourth one. You can watch movies. A keyboard is used to type letters, numbers and words. Isn't it, children? Why do we use keyboard? We use keyboard to type letters, numbers and words. So this is correct. I will write here T. Like that way you all can solve the example 5th. Now they have given C. Name the following machines. You all have to identify the with the help of this picture, and you all have to name those machines which are given here. Now can anyone tell me which is this machine? Yes, children? Yes, it is a toaster. So I will write Toaster. It's a toaster. Now what is the second machine which is there in the picture? We remove juice from it. What does this machine is called as? It's called juicer. 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 Yes, children. Identify the third picture which is given in the circle. Which machine is this, children? This is a computer. 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 Fourth one is very easy. What is that, children? Car. Car. The fifth one is fan. Let us go to the D now. Fill in the blanks by choosing two letters from the word computer and make a new word. Yes, children. They have given one word here which is called computer, and whatever the words are there in between this whatever the letters are there in this word, you have to take those letters and you have to write in the given picture and the given blank. Fill in the blanks by choosing two letters from the word computer. Two letters you have to choose from this word computer and make a new word. Example, they have given a bottles here. Yes, children. Which letter we need? B-O-T. The two letters which we have taken from this particular word is O and T. Now, it is a newspaper. N-E-W-S-P-A-P. So, these are the two words which are taken from the word computer. Now, third one is a mobile. So, I will write here M-O-B-I-L-E. O and L is taken from the particular word which is called computer. Now, sharpener. You all can see they have given a sharpener in the given box. Which letter we need here, children? R. Here, E. In the same way, N-C. Now let us go to the page number 42. Open page number 42 from your computer textbook. They have given A, choose the right answer. Children, you all have to choose the right answer. They have given multiple choice questions, means they have given you three options. Among those three options, which is correct, you all have to tick mark that. Now, shall I read it? Yes. 1. Which of the following work cannot be done on a computer? What you couldn't do in a computer, children? What is that work which cannot be done in a computer? Play games. You all can play games in a computer? Yes. Cook food. Can you cook food in a computer? No. Draw pictures. Can you draw pictures in a computer? True. So the cook food is a correct answer. We cannot cook food on a computer. So I have tick mark that one. Which part of a computer helps it to think and work according to the given orders? Yes, children, which part of a computer helps to think? Which is the brain of computer? CPU. So I will tick mark here. That will help to think to the computer. Which type of machine is a computer? Electronic, man-made, both A and B. Computer is an electronic machine which is made by humans. So both A and B are correct here. Which key is the longest key on a keyboard? Yes, children. Either it is a enter, caps lock or space bar. The correct answer is space bar. Like this way you all can solve the example 5. Now let us go to the B, answer in one word. Name the machine that is used for washing clothes. Which machine you use to wash the clothes, children? Washing machine. So I will write here washing machine. WASHING MACHINE. Washing machine. Which part of a computer shows the output where we get the result? Monitor. So I will write MONITOR. Now next, name a machine that runs on human power, which works with the help of human. Which is that machine? Sewing machine. Any machine you can write. I will write sewing machine. SEWING MASCHINE machine. Which key brings the cursor to the next line, children? Which key you use to jump to the next line? Enter. 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 Like that way you all can solve the example 5th. Now these all question answers you all have to write in the Fairbook also. Open a fresh page in a computer Fairbook. Write the heading as worksheet and write the question along with the answer. I will be sending a picture of written answer in the group. Thank you, children.